Hello dear friends! In this video I will prepare a popular Indian dessert made from cashews called Kaju Katli. The ingredients as always are listed in the description under the video. Grind raw cashews in a blender into a very fine powder. Do this in short pulses to prevent the cashews from releasing oil and turning into a paste. It is advisable to sift the powder through a sieve to remove large lumps. They can be ground again. Make the sugar syrup. Put sugar and water in a pan. Place it over medium heat. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Bring the syrup to a boil. Reduce the heat to low. Cook for 4 to 8 minutes after boiling. To test the syrup, drop a bit between your thumb and forefinger and quickly separate them. A thin thread should form between your fingers. This means the syrup is ready. Remove the syrup from heat. Add cashew powder, dry milk, pistachio paste, and ghee. Mix everything. The mixture should become thick and elastic. Place the mass between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Roll with a rolling pin to the desired thickness, traditionally 3 to 5 millimeters. Carefully remove the top sheet of parchment. Immediately cover the layer with edible silver foil, gently pressing it down. While the layer is still warm, cut it into neat diamond shapes with a knife. Let cool completely and set before serving. I hope my video was helpful for you. Until next time, friends, goodbye.